Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna here. Basically, we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation. City creation basically we are discussing one of the topic that is India account. And India account basically we are discussing one of the topic that is B account and Amazon account. And after 2 days, basically the earthquake is going to happen. This is the subject basically. So in this basically we have discussed lots of things. Basically. And here basically we are discussing the most dangerous topic you will not believe, that is the future creation. Somebody has created future for us. I am basically here. Reasons, somebody has, one of the person basically literally asked the question, Sunil, basically you created, right? Basically you got the birth. Then Sunil Nair told that yes, basically I got the birth, I am basically here, see basically. So do you know basically, do you know what actually I should tell basically? There just a minute. Do you know basically from which lava area, from lava area your power data basically came, and you basically got generate? What was that basically? And that basically data on the base of you got generate, that is me, that is basically coming, that basically was generated from which project basically. Up to that level basically information you have, Sunil. Then Sunil Larnar basically told that that basically software industry also might be having, but might not be having, but you can't say 100%. So one of the person told that 1 crore child is going to happen, right? Basically this is actually one of the person told this is the biggest project basically, you can say, for the future basically. They are telling that basically your future, everybody, why everybody basically spends the money on why, how, where basically they spends the money. They spends the money on current, they spends the money on future. These two places basically they spends the money. Future comes according to the current task what they do. So one of the person told that the lava project basically, which is ongoing basically, that is actually what basically, that is for investment basically by the businessmen basically they are doing. So they are telling that basically your future basically we are going to secure basically. Your child basically when it will when your child will get marriage, that time basically he is going to get birth basically, he is going to become father. Up to that level the plans basically are done. So one of the person told that your generation basically ended by Mumbai. That is Mumbai city, that is the Indian nationality has ended. So your generation basically was going to end. That was also basically planned by one of the businessmen of India. So few people told that that is also possible basically. That is also possible basically. Somebody basically businessman basically might have ended your here basically my generation has not ended. I basically am planning to do second marriage, but my generation basically has not ended. Somebody told that assume that basically your generation basically ended. So one of the person told that the 1 crore child is going to happen basically. Going to happen basically. It's not happened basically. Going to happen. That is basically one chain that you agree basically. Somebody asked from satellite basically to Sunil basically. Then Sunil told that yes basically that is one chain which is connecting to the satellite also basically. That lava is directly connected with the satellite, because whenever basically the lava is getting created, the part the when the lava basically is finished from the earth planet side, the satellite groups basically do lots of process basically. So they are continuously basically connected here basically with the earth planet. So that is basically one chain. One of the person told that also basically. That is Sunil Arna basically. Then satellite group that yes basically we agree basically this is one chain basically of the earth planet to satellite, from earth planet to satellite. What they are doing, they are actually planning for 1 crore child which is going to happen. So one of the person told that the projects basically which is created, that is the 1 lakh project, In that project, basically, who is that company basically who is deciding 1 crore child basically, that this is the 1 crore child basically, and this is very dangerous idea basically. एक आइडिया जो बदल दे आपकी दुनिया, that actually who has told that, will just a minute, I will just check it basically who actually told that basically. एक आइडिया जो just a minute, I will just let it out what actually that is.
Amazon.in के मुताबिक आप महान बनना चाहते हैं तो बनो, जीवन में सुख खुशी और आनंद चाहते हैं तो पाओ, अरबों कमाना चाहते हैं तो कमाओ, कोई भी महान लक्ष्य है तो हासिल करो। चाहो तो साधारण जीवन जियो, चाहो तो असाधारण। जो मांगोगे वो मिलेगा, जो खोजोगे वो भी मिलेगा। खुशी समृद्धि कुछ भी चाहोगे मिलेगा। शेख चिल्ली मन ही मन।
एक आइडिया जो बदल दे आपकी दुनिया।
Have you heard of ChatGPT? Mid-Journey? Or I mean recently self-driving cars. If you see a
ऑफिस जाते हो मतलब तुम ही काम करते हो, तुम ही बिजी हो। एक दिन जी के देखो मेरी लाइफ, समझ जाओगे।
एक दिन मेरी लाइफ जियो, पता चलेगा। नहीं खाना मुझे।
हाँ तो मत खाओ ना। आइडिया।
आपका आपका फोन पापा।
दे।
सुबह सुबह ना करें।
Ajay sales account. Need you here right now. ASAP.
सब मेरा आदमी बीमार है, 2-3 दिन काम पे नहीं आएगी। This idea number is busy.
हेलो वर्मा, सुन। मिसेस वर्मा, ऑफिस में फुल पैनिक है यार। लगता है तुम्हें अपनी छुट्टी का प्लान पोस्टपोन करना पड़ेगा। मैडम आर्टिकल का डेडलाइन आज है। आपके पास टाइम है तो बता दो प्लीज। सर I'm resigning. तो कैसा रहा तुम्हारा दिन?
और तुम्हारा दिन? चाय लाती हूँ।
नहीं मैं बनाता हूँ।
तुम बर्तन भी कर देना।
So one of the person told that this was actually one ad of Idea basically, Idea company. एक आइडिया जो बदल दे आपकी दुनिया. So this was actually one SIM idea basically, SIM card company's idea. So that he was actually correct. This is one idea basically which is dumped inside the lava land basically. Somebody has generated. One of the person told that, do you know basically from which lava data basically Sunil you generated? Because everybody generated from lava only, that is 100% sure. That lava is equal to power basically. Power company basically generates the power from lava, and according to the power, they basically sets the environment to you basically. So you are basically your environment basically set it according to the power company. So it doesn't happen from 1 or 2 days basically. It takes lots of time basically to set your environment basically. So one of the person told that one of the person told that government actually only told. So you have the data basically how you got the birth, or basically your friends, your each and every people basically who got the birth, they basically got from which lava data. Few people told that they basically got from Bihar basically. Few people told that basically UP. Few people told Kerala. Few people told Haryana. Few people told Punjab. Few people told Delhi. Few people told Jammu Kashmir. Few people told USA. Few people told UK. So like this, basically things are connected. So they basically gets power supply. So one of the person basically asked the question. 1 lakh project basically which has created, they basically gets data from where? They basically gets the data from lava harvest, right? Which is created by set of groups. Set of group basically created lava from where? They have certain level of data which is basically written, by set of groups. They written that basically Sunilar Nair basically generation is supposed to end. So basically they collected Sunilar Nair's entire chain basically. They collected Sunilar Nair's entire chain, and then basically they told that like this basically we ended the Sunilar Nair generation. Mumbai basically ended the Sunilar Nair. Here just I'm taking the example basically. Really basically my generation has not ended. So one of the person told that how basically this is happened here, basically how this is happening. For that basically one of the person told that we will create one plan. For this one of the person told that how to basically, because current generation don't know that everything is easy. So they told that we will do this practically basically. So they started generating lava basically. Lava is what basically? It's one. It whenever basically it's one chemical basically. It converts into the sand basically, and after sand it converts into the water. So one of the person told that if world will end na basically, world nahi, entire universe will basically one day basically the entire when the entire universe will end, that time basically the land, whatever land basically in the universe, that will become sand, or basically it is going to become water. One thing is going to happen, but that will not happen very soon. Why? Because whenever basically the condition is getting satisfied, data basically are getting chained basically are getting break. But one of the person told that in universe basically daily earth planet and chain gets generated daily basically. If you ask any of the NASA, any of the satellite group basically, they will literally basically tell yes basically Sunil telling correct basically, daily basically the world and chain gets generated, but that is basically gets breaken basically. Breaken means it's basically gets break basically by certain level of conditions basically. So that is basically also one different topic. It's a universe basically, that is very dangerous topic. So here what is basically, here next level generation basically is Earth Planet Group basically are dumping the lava creation with the help of this 1 lakh projects. They created the lava on the base of certain level of formulas that are basically chemicals basically, you can say, that are basically the chemicals. So one of the person told that 1 crore child is going to happen. That data is also dumped basically. You will not able to believe that basically. How basically that is possible? Na basically, this is not magic. Basically, one of the person told that it's a really magic here. Basically, from sand basically we got created basically. We created from sand basically. You will not able to believe that basically. And one day we have to go inside the sand only when we will die basically. For example, I am going to die. That time basically, what is the thing going to happen basically? I will get die basically. Then basically I will get into the sand basically. After that, anything is going to happen? Nothing is going to happen in the world basically. Everybody is going to say, "Arey chalo gaya abhi abhi he is not searching for job basically. We got basically one tension relief basically. Now he is not searching for the job." So that is basically different topic basically. So lots of people says that uh, the next generation basically which Earth planet basically are doing, that is the Mumbai city. Mumbai city told that basically we are going to plan for next generation. In this basically we are planning that also, that which generation basically is going to end. Up to that level basically one of the person told that is it possible here basically, really, that basically from lava basically, if this everything basically, if anybody will see this video, they will say that basically that is not possible here, Sunil basically. Then how basically we got birth basically, that is the question. Ask this question to yourself basically, how you got birth basically. Then you will reach to that lava point basically. If Earth planet basically have the data, then you will 100% reach to that lava. But when you will reach to the lava data, that is disappeared in water basically, that is basically in sea water. So one of the person told the water creation basically, but that is possible to track basically from where basically you got birth. For example, I got birth from this lava. This lava converted into water, and that is basically, that water basically is currently where basically, that is possible basically to track basically. One person told that it's a challenging job basically for the software company to track this basically. If they will track this basically, I am telling you, nobody in this universe will say that basically we have to finish the world. Nobody in this universe will say that we have to finish this world basically. So they will say that basically, let's basically world go for future generation. Let's the world basically for go for future generation. So one of the person told that this is the most challenging job basically for the nuclear power company basically, because they only can do this. Why? Because they only know the location of the land basically from where the lava basically is providing the power supply basically. And that power, so for example, I got birth, so where is my power data basically? That is basically, the few people told that from this land basically you got birth, and that land basically data, which was the lava data, that is basically disappeared in the form of water. And one few people told that basically that water basically, where is that basically, need to check basically. Few people told that basically that water basically might have been consumed by the few people basically, and few people basically might have generated some energy also. So do you have the exact chain of Sunil R. Nair? One person basically from satellite asked. So satellite group told that basically this is actually challenging for not for the nuclear power company. This is challenging for satellite group basically, because whatever task basically which happens in the Earth planet, whatever task basically which gets starts in the Earth planet basically, that is started by satellite group basically. So this is challenging task for the satellite group basically. Can anybody can track basically how Sunil R. Nair basically, Sunil R. Nair chain basically can be generated? I will take one example. For example, I got birth from this lava data. This lava basically, after a certain time basically, when the project got completed, they told that basically disappear this lava will data will get disappear into the form of water. So that basically assume that that water basically got disappeared in some sand area basically, and then basically that sand area, from that sand area basically that water basically disappeared in sea water basically, that is called in Hindi basically it is called samundar. It got disappeared in sea water, and from that I'm taking about my data only basically. So they told that that is basically inside some sea water basically. But exactly to track each and every individual 900 crore people data, that is actually the challenge basically. One of the person told that this is the most dangerous challenging task basically for the universe actually, to track Sunil R. Nair's individual data. I am taking my example because I can't take anybody else example basically. So I am taking myself example only. So one of the person told that Sunil basically are very dangerous task actually you have given here basically. Satellite group basically told this basically. But that is basically we will like challenging tasks, so we are accepting your challenge, and after a few days basically we will give you that water also. Where is that exactly water basically? Where is your water basically? Sorry, where is your what to say basically? Where is your chained water basically? That also you are going to give basically. So one of the person told that it's a challenge basically, and they accepted the challenge because Earth planet basically nobody can able to do that basically. But they will start the task basically. After that, they are that task basically they are going to transfer to Earth planet. For that basically Earth planet have to be ready basically. After tracking the satellite group basically, they started this task basically, and after starting this task basically, they are going to transfer that task to Earth planet. Why? Because each and every task basically the Earth planet which is doing basically that is started by satellite group basically. After that only basically Earth planet has started each and every task. Even programming, even project manager planning, or even software delivery head task, even basically this task basically the lava basically task we satellite groups will do. And mostly after that basically they are going to transfer this task which they are going to do to Earth planet concern group basically, you can say concern departments basically. That concern departments basically nobody don't know. So one person's entire chain basically to track, this is actually the most challenging job basically. So one of the person told that this is the more number dangerous country basically in this world basically. They also basically will say that sorry basically we can't do that. It's impossible task basically. This only one people basically group can do, that is the satellite group basically, and the space group also basically can do basically, and the universe group basically can do, because it might possible that the water which was basically consumed, few energy basically which was generated, and few energy basically might have connected to planet creation also, which might have used in planet creation also. That is also possible. So it is connecting up to satellites, connecting up to planets also, planets creation also. So one of the person told that this is the most challenging task. हेलो, ठीक है कौन है? हाँ